If you are on Social Security and disability benefits, listen up. I have breaking news. I have the April 2025 Social Security payment schedule. When is your check going to be mailed? When is your SSI, Social Security retirement, or disability benefits going to hit your bank account? I have all the details for you in this April news update. And then I have another breaking news. What is President Trump planning to do for seniors now that he's in office? There are about 10 proposals that are going to help seniors that the president could implement in 2025. I'm going to walk you through all of that. So, who are we? Well, Benefits Insider has been around for about 15 years now. So, we've been creating content primarily for seniors, and our main goal is to help seniors get the benefits they deserve. So, if you're new to this channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because all we do is bring you the latest news and update, anything in and out of Congress that is going to affect your Social Security, disability, Medicare, Medicaid, and food stamps benefits. And as usual, we like to know where you're watching this broadcast from. Hit me in the comments below and let me know your city and your state. Now let's dive in. What is the April Social Security payment schedule? When are you going to receive your payment? Well, the first round of payments are going to go out soon, and checks worth up to $5,108 are going to be headed out. That is the maximum benefit for January 2025. That is when that number hit the maximum. From January 2025 on, if you're getting the full benefit for Social Security, that is what you're going to get in the bank account. But you know that a lot of people get different amounts based on what you paid into the system. So what does that look like? Well, if you're getting $5,105, it means that you've waited till age 70 are getting your benefits. If you're retiring at full retirement age, your payment is $4,118, the maximum you can get in 2025. And if you are retiring early at 62 in 2025, the maximum you can get is $2,710. And the average Social Security benefit as of November 2024 was 1,925. Of course, there's a major news that has been happening all year. That is the retirement age is going up again by 2 months, starting in January 2025. If you are retiring at full retirement age in 2025, it's going to be 66 years and 10 months. And starting next year in 2026, the retirement age is going to hit permanently at 67 years old. So let's talk about your payment schedule. When is your money going to hit your bank account? Well, if your birthday is between the 1st and the 10th, you are going to get your money between the second Wednesday of the month. If your birthday is between the 11th and the 20th, your SSDI and Social Security retirement benefits are going to hit your bank account on the third Wednesday. And if your birthday is between the 21st and the 31st, your Social Security or SSDI benefits will hit your bank account on the fourth Wednesday of the month. If you're on SSI benefits, you'll get the benefit payment on the first of the month, unless the first is a weekend or a holiday. And then there's a whole category of people who get their benefits on the third of the month. It includes those who live outside the US, if your state pays for your Medicare premium, if you're getting both SSI and Social Security benefits, and if you file for Social Security before 1997. So, for April 2025, here are the payment dates for Social Security retirement benefits and Social Security disability insurance, which is otherwise known as SSDI. You'll get your benefits on April the 9th if your birthday is between the 1st and the 10th, April the 16th if your birthday is between the 11th and the 20th, and April the 23rd if your birthday is between the 21st and the 31st of the month. If you're on SSI, since Tuesday the 1st is not a weekend or a holiday, you are going to get your benefits on time. And then Thursday, April 3rd, the following categories of people are going to get their benefits: those who file for their Social Security benefits before 1997, if your state pays for your Medicare premium, you receive Social Security and SSI, and you live outside the US. Those are four categories of people who get their benefits on the 3rd, among other classes of people. Now, if you don't get your benefits, what should you do? Well, the Social Security Administration advises that you wait 3 business days. Why? Because that is the time it takes to clear any banking issues that is holding your benefits. After that, then it gets scary because if you have an overpayment situation, they may be holding your Social Security benefits to clear the overpayment. And the Trump administration just made a new rule. Actually, it's a reverse back to an old rule where if you have an overpayment issue, they're going to stop your Social Security benefits and use it to clear your overpayment until it's done. So if you're on SSDI and Social Security retirement and you did not get your payment, it's because you probably have an overpayment issue and they've stopped your benefit, intercepted it, and are using it to clear the money you owe. If you're on SSI and your benefits have been reduced, it also means that you probably have an overpayment issue and they're taking 10% of your benefits every month until your debt is paid off to the Social Security Administration. Now, we've been talking a lot about President Trump and what he could do for seniors. And there are a lot of proposals that have been put before him on help he can provide seniors in 2025. What can they do legislatively that he can support to help seniors? Well, here's the list. The first one is to help American seniors. But why are seniors important to the president? Is because 27% of all the electorate are seniors and 51% voted for the president. And so a lot of them are hoping that he will do right by them. The first idea is supporting retirement savings. 53 million Americans have no way to save consistently for retirement. There is a bill, bipartisan bill called the Retirement Savings for American Act, RSAA. The president is being encouraged to support it. This could help address the fact that 25% of non-retired adults have zero retirement savings. That's really scary. He could also strengthen Social Security. Over 10,000 baby boomers retire daily, and the Social Security Trust Fund is projected to run out of money, which means that there will be automatic 21% cuts in 2033. The president could support proposals to help strengthen Social Security, including removing the cap on earnings subject to Social Security taxes. They could also help increase Social Security benefits by giving seniors a bigger Social Security increase than the 2.5% COLA that they've been receiving, and then explore ways for long-term stability so that we don't even get to that 2033 scenario where they're going to cut benefits for everybody by 21%. Another change the president could make is expand Medicare coverage. Why is that important? Well, Medicare doesn't cover everything, and essential services like eye exams, dental care, and hearing aids are things that Medicare does not cover. And they're typically called the above the neck care, like, hearing aids, eye exam, dental care. And so the president could support those reforms to allow Medicare to cover those services to help seniors, because the average senior couple spend $370,000 over their retirement on Medicare services and services that are not covered by Medicare, out-of-pocket costs, co-pays, deductibles, etc. So this is a big thing that the president can support to help seniors. The other big one is addressing long-term care. This is a very, very pressing issue, especially at the rate at which baby boomers are retiring. 70% of people who are 65 today will require long-term care eventually, and the median assisted living facility costs $5,350 per month. The average Social Security benefit, which I just showed you, is about $1,900. But the average assisted living facility is $5,350. 40% of seniors rely on Social Security as their only source of income. So where's the money going to come from? Well, that is where the president could help seniors in figuring out affordable long-term care options and insurance solutions, and then tax benefits to help family members provide caregiving to their loved ones. This is a very, very big issue that causes a lot of issues for seniors. Another thing the president can help with is making healthcare more affordable. President Trump previously advocated for lower prescription drug prices. He could negotiate better pharmaceutical prices for Medicare recipients, address rising out-of-pocket expenses for Medicare, and explore better supplemental coverage that will reduce costs for seniors. He could protect Social Security from DOGE, or seniors in general from DOGE. DOGE has been cutting a lot of things, especially the Social Security Administration, that is causing a lot of headache, including cutting services, cutting phone lines, so that things that seniors can do over the phone in support of their Social Security benefits now cannot be done over the phone. They have to go to the office to do that. Well, seniors that have transportation issues or seniors that have mobility challenges then now confront a big problem. On top of that, Doge is closing a lot of Social Security offices, especially in rural areas. So it is really hitting Social Security hard. This is a place where the president can protect seniors from Doge. Another big headache for seniors is affordable housing. The president could support programs to expand housing for seniors as costs continue to rise substantially. If you want to talk about inflation that seniors face, one of the biggest ones is rent. Support Older Americans Act programs that provide local assistance, create incentives for home modifications that allow seniors to stay in their homes, and improve transportation options for seniors who no longer drive. And the president is taking action now. There are 5 changes he's already done to Social Security. And these are some of the things that I just shared with you that he could also get on board with to help seniors afford retirement, lower their costs in critical areas, increase their medical benefits, get assistance for housing, so that seniors in general can improve their living standard. Remember, 40% of all seniors only have Social Security as their only source of income, and the average Social Security benefit is 1,900. And so this could go a long way, these proposals, to help seniors afford their daily living. Now, there's a critical Medicare deadline that is coming in a few days, March 31st, 2025. I want to talk to you about that. We face a crisis where a lot of seniors are in the wrong Medicare plan and are losing their benefits as a result. 1 million plus patients lose coverage as insurers, hospitals drop Medicare Advantage. So how can you turn this around? Well, there's a small window that ends March 31st where you can switch to a better Medicare Advantage plan. And if you are in the wrong plan, it's going to cost you because on average, seniors spend about $300,000 on Medicare during their retirement. And if you're in the wrong plan, it could affect your health because the services you need may not be there when you need it. That is why we have partnered with an amazing organization, Chapter Medicare. That is the phone number you see on the screen, 539-205-2147. They can help you get into the right plan before March 31st. It is critical, if you need help, to call them now because there are 3 advantages that they have to help you find a plan that fits your budget and your needs. Number 1, they are the free, unbiased advisor, and they are the only Medicare Advantage and Medicare advisory plan that has access to all the 24,000 Medicare plans out there. Yes, there are 24,000 plans out there. And which one is good for your local area? Which one is good for your doctor network? Which one is good for the coverage you need? Sometimes can be challenging, and they can help you figure that out. Number 2, their licensed agents do not work for commission. So they are not there to sell you the most expensive plan. They're there to help you find a plan that meets your budget and your needs. And then 3, probably the most important of all, they can save you money, over $1,100 a year on average. So if you want to avoid being one of the 90% of seniors that are in the wrong Medicare plan, Chapter can help you fix that. They're very highly rated, A+ on Better Business Bureau, and they have a lot of 5-star ratings from actual people who've used their services. So check them out or go into the description to this video and you see a link that will take you to their website to fill out a form, and they'll reach out to you and help you before this critical deadline ends on March the 31st. So that's all I wanted to bring you today. Thank you. And I've been doing lives every single day. So be on the lookout for my next live when I bring you the latest news and update, anything in and out of Congress that's going to affect your Social Security, disability, food stamps, Medicare, Medicaid, and more. So see you on the next live video.